The TRX Cossack Squat is a powerful lower body exercise that blends mobility, strength, and stability. It's essentially a lateral squat variation performed with TRX. Straps for support and balance. How to do the TRX Cossack Squat. It's fun setup. Stand facing the TRX anchor point. Hold both handles with your arms slightly bent, elbows close to your body. Feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. 2. Movement. Shift your weight to one leg and squat down deeply on that side. Keep the opposite leg straight with the toes pointing upward. Heel stays grounded. Use the TRX for balance, not to pull yourself up. Keep your chest upright, core braced, and back straight. 3. Return. Push through the heel of the bent leg to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Par tips. Move slowly and control the range of motion. Keep knees aligned with toes. TRX should only assist balance, not take the load. Thanks for watching.